Howdy there, RipRap Group. My apologies for not posting a complete question at the time. But this is my Vector 3. I'm having issues with Marlin or ramps or something or other. There's the version, and that is literally what I get. I have no idea what it means that the question marks keep doing that, and I can't seem to find any options anywhere to home it or level it or anything like that within this interface. I've gone through the config a bunch of times, I just can't seem to find anything odd, but oops, I've forgotten how to do this. It's been a while since I've what? Yeah, that's interesting. I don't know what that means either, so that's another question. But that is the issue I'm having with the software, or maybe the hardware, but any suggestions, I'd really appreciate it. Next question I have is, in the config it says something about core X, Y, Z, whatever. There's like a whole load of questions about X, Y, Z axis, what core it is. I have no idea what this printer is. Your Z axis goes up and down. This thing is your I do believe it's Y axis that goes in and out, and this thing up here is your X axis. So if you could tell me what platform this printer is based on, that would be fantastic. Thank you very much for your time.